To rank on Google SERP is an Herculean task. Every other website is putting lot of effort to rank high on Google search engine result page. There are more than 150 metrics on which a website has to do SEO so that they can rank high on SERP and they can outrank their competitors organically. Hello, I am Sanjay Gupta, and today I am going to tell you one of the very important metrics which is known as LSI keywords. So, LSI keywords, that means latent semantic indexing, right? So, these are basically keywords which you will be when you search on Google and you enter any keyword, so that keyword Google suggests, right? So, these are basically latent semantic indexing is a method which Google and other search engines use to study and compare relationship between different terms and concepts. So these keywords can be used to improve SEO traffic and create more visibility and higher ranking in search results. How to find LSI keywords? So this is a method which is very easy and everyone can find LSI keywords for their websites. Simply what you have to do, you have to enter the keyword on which you want to rank high on SERP, and whenever you enter this keyword on Google, so for example, I have entered what are LSI keywords, right? So the moment I will write LSI keywords, there are some words which you will see in bold, right? Which you will see in bold. So these are basically suggested words, right, from Google, and these are known as LSI keywords. So these are basically LSI keywords. I will explain you. These are keywords which search engine crawlers will take a hint from that your web page or your article or blog is surrounded nearby these words. For example, if I say that okay, if I say the LSI keywords are like cafe and ingredients, cup and coffee, right? So with these keywords, what search engine crawler will understand that okay, the article is related something about cafe, coffee, or something related to coffee only, right? So the words which will give you a hint that on which subject the article is surrounded, those are known as LSI keywords. So first method was to search through here, and the second method is that you can type your keyword in LSI graph tool, and the tool will suggest you LSI keywords according to your website keywords, right? So these are two methods how you will search. I will show you practically also on Google, right? That how. So for example, let's say I will type, let's say, how to make whipped cream. I have just write CR and I have left everything, right? Now whatever word you see in this bold, right? Or let's say I'll type entire bold. So whatever word you will see in bold, from Amul cream for cake, from milk, at home in Hindi, for cake, right? So for frosting by hand. So these are basically known as LSI keywords. So if you are writing article on how to make whipped cream, make sure this can be your main keywords, right? This can be your main keyword on which you want to rank. But in your article or in your blog, you have to add these keywords for cake, from milk. I will not say all keywords, but at least which will make a good hint to search engine crawlers that okay, so the article is surrounded somewhere around cream and somewhere around to make whipped cream, right? So this is your LSI keywords, and these keywords are nowadays very important, right, when it comes to ranking on SERP, because search engine crawlers will search these keywords. they are not only dependent on the main key phrase, main keyword, they also search all these LSI keywords so that they can accordingly rank high on SERP. Alright, so I guess LSI keywords are very clear, and in short I have explained what LSI keywords are there, right? What LSI keyword, how you can find LSI keywords, and I think now you will be able to include these keywords in your article and blog, right? So thank you for watching this video, right? Kindly subscribe my video, kindly subscribe my channel, and give a thumbs up on this video if you like this, and I am ready to accept all the comments, feedbacks. You can write all your feedbacks in your comments. All right, so best of luck. Thank you. Enjoy.